Hello friends, welcome back to Pritha's Cooking House. I am Pritha and today I will be sharing with you a very famous traditional Bengali dish which is called Dui Katla or Dahi fish, or in English we can call it as curd fish. I will be preparing this recipe with katla mach or katla fish. But if you want, you can definitely use any other fish like rohu fish or rui fish or bhetki fish. Any choice of your fish can be used. So let's begin with the process. Before that, I would like to remind you all, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get all the recipe updates. And if you like the recipe, then please like the video and comment on the video. And don't forget to share the video with your family and friends. Let's see what are the ingredients we will be requiring for making curd fish or dahi fish or dui katla. I have taken here 4-piece katla fish, 1 medium size sliced onion, 1 small size onion paste, 1 medium size tomato paste, 4 tablespoon curd, whole garam masalas, cardamom, cinnamon and clove, 2 green chilies, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt obviously as per taste, sugar as per taste, 3 tablespoon mustard oil. At first, we need to marinate the fish for 30 minutes with some salt as per taste and some turmeric powder, around half teaspoon I have taken, and around 1 teaspoon mustard oil. And we need to mix all the ingredients very well with the fish, and then we need to keep this aside for around 30 minutes. In the meantime, we need to prepare one mixture, and the main ingredient of the mixture will be dahi. So for that I have taken here around 4 tablespoon dahi. Then I have added half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, salt as per taste, half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Mix all the ingredients very well and then keep this aside. Now we need to fry all the fish pieces. For that I have taken here one frying pan and I have added 4 tablespoon mustard oil into it, and when the oil is well heated, we need to fry all the fish pieces very well. Both the sides needs to be fried well. See, all the fish pieces are fried well. Now on the same pan and on the same oil we will be adding some whole garam masalas. I have taken here 1 green cardamom, 2 cloves and 1 stick of cinnamon and 1 dry red chili and 1 bay leaf. After 30 seconds, when a nice smell coming out from these garam masalas, we need to add the sliced onion into the oil. We need to fry this onion very well until the color became golden brown. After 2 minutes, the color has been changed, and now we will be adding 1 onion paste, 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste into this. Give it a quick mix and fry till the raw smell of ginger, garlic and onion is there. After 3 minutes of frying, there is no raw smell coming out anymore, and now we need to add this tomato puree or tomato paste into this. Again give it a good mix and cook it for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add 2 green chilies and it looks like the masalas are perfectly cooked. Now at this point of time, we need to add the dahi mixture and need to mix it very well. After cooking for another 4 to 5 minutes, see the oil is coming out from the gravy and it looks perfect. And now at this point of time, we need to add some salt as per taste and some sugar as per taste and mix it very well. Now at this stage we need to add some water, and there is no particular measurement for adding water. It's totally depends on how much gravy you want in the dish. Depending on that, you can add water as per your choice. After adding water, when the gravy starts boiling, we need to add all the fish pieces into this gravy. Cook in low to medium flame for another 2 minutes. Now finally the last ingredient will be added, that is garam masala powder. I have taken here around half teaspoon garam masala powder, and you need to sprinkle it on the top, and then you can turn off the gas. Now I will cover the pan with a lid for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes our doi katla or dahi fish or curd fish is totally ready. This item can be used as a side dish with rice. So, how was the recipe? I hope you all liked it. We'll be back very soon with a new recipe. Till then, you all take care.